Hello guys, so today we are doing a very nice walk all around two small lakes which are located in the province of Treviso. I'm gonna show you on the map here. Okay, so you have this lake, Lago di Lago, and then Lago di Santa Maria. I parked here, somewhere nearby here, and you can do a very nice walk, basically all around both lakes. Okay, so this one you're hearing is the so-called cicala. I think it's cicada in English. It's not too hot, but anyway, you can still hear it. And here you have these very nice footpath. This is an example, and then let me show you one of the lakes. You guys, this is so nice, and it's like so relaxing. Plus I'm here like on a weekday, so there is not too many people. Of course, if you come here on the weekends, there are like more people walking. So these two lakes, Lago di Lago and Lago di Santa Maria, are located on a valley, and this is what is remained of a part of a glacier. Okay, there was a glacier on this area like many centuries ago. So this one is the lake so-called di Santa Maria, because down there is the small town where you see that little bell tower down there. Where is it? There. Okay, that should be Santa Maria. And then down there on the other side there is the Lago di Lago, hence there is also a small town called Lago. Anyways, these lakes are called Laghi di Revine, but actually the small town of Revine is located on that side there.